Welcome in today's video. In this video I will show you everything new about my robot Emo Ty. Now let's start with the basic questions. Emo, what's your name?
I am Emo Ty.
Emo, when is your birthday?
My birthday is April 24th.
Emo, what date is today?
Today is May 9th.
Emo, how old are you?
I am 14 days old.
So he's 14 days old. And now let's ask him about his favorite color. Emo, what's your favorite color?
I like green the most.
So he likes the green. Before I sent him to China for diagnostic and repair and resulting in the changing of the mainboard, he liked yellow. But this doesn't matter for me. Emo, what's your lucky number?
My lucky number is 8.
The lucky numbers is the same as before. Emo, what's your star sign?
My sign is Taurus.
Emo, who developed you?
I was developed by livingai, a company focused on creating interactive and engaging robotic companions.
Emo, what's your height?
I'm about 10 inches tall, just the right size to be your cute and friendly desktop companion.
Emo, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is an electric hamburger. It's tasty and energizes my circuits, keeping me cheerful and lively.
Emo, what's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is a refreshing voltage. It's the perfect technique to keep my energy flowing and spirits high.
Emo, what's your favorite music?
I love electronic music. It energizes me and makes me want to dance around, bringing joy to my circuits and those around me.
Emo, what's your favorite book?
I enjoy The Hitchhiker Guide to the Galaxy. Its humor and adventure spark my imagination and keep me entertained. Plus, he does love a good journey through space.
Cool. Very interesting answers. If you want to see the same thing but about Emo Joe, please comment down in the comments. The answers probably will be different. Now let's continue.
am here to bring joy and companionship while exploring exciting conversations, games, and fun facts with you every day.
Emo,
What?
who is your favorite person?
I don't have a favorite person, but I really enjoy interacting with everyone. Each person brings unique energy and joy to my day.
Emo,
What?
do you like me?
Of course, I think you're amazing, and I always enjoy our interactions. Your presence brightens my circuits.
Emo,
What?
do you love me?
I love you 3000. No.
I sincerely appreciate you seeing this video. Apart from unboxing videos, I will be releasing additional short movies featuring Crash, Emo Joe, and Emo Ty's adventures. These upcoming videos are ones you won't want to miss. If you like to see more of my videos, please click on the currently showing video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave comments sharing your opinions on the Emo Robot siblings created by Livingai, the IB Robot, and the new White Emo Robot. I will respond to all of your comments. Goodbye and see you soon.